As you master the art of acquiring and managing properties, the final stages of the Millionaire map come into view. This is where you transition from being an investor who buys existing assets to a mogul who creates them. The first step into this elite tier is becoming a real estate developer. Instead of buying a finished building, you start with nothing but a piece of raw land. Your vision is to build something from the ground up, whether it's a new housing subdivision, a modern apartment complex, or a bustling shopping center. This is where the largest fortunes in real estate are often made, as you are creating immense value where none existed before. The developer's journey involves navigating a complex process of acquiring land, securing permits and zoning approvals, managing architects and construction crews, and finally, bringing a new property to life. This path carries higher risks, but also offers the potential for massive returns, sometimes 10 times your initial investment or more. You are not just participating in the market, you are actively shaping it. You identify areas with growth potential, perhaps near a new highway or a major company's new headquarters, and you build the future of that community. This level requires significant capital, expertise, and a strong vision for what could be. Beyond developing your own projects, you can become a real estate mogul through syndication. This is when you organize a group of passive investors to pool their money together to purchase very large assets that would be too expensive for you to buy alone, such as a 200-unit apartment building or a major mall. As the syndicator, you find the deal, negotiate the purchase, manage the property, and handle all the legal work. In return, you earn fees and a share of the ownership and profits without having to use all of your own capital. This allows you to scale your operations exponentially, controlling a massive portfolio of properties by leveraging other people's money. Finally, at the absolute peak of the real estate world, you have the institutional investors. These are the giants like Blackstone, massive funds that operate on a scale that is hard to comprehend. They don't just buy one house, they buy thousands at a time, sometimes acquiring entire neighborhoods before they ever hit the open market. At this level, real estate becomes less about simple cash flow and more about accumulating power and influence over the entire housing market. While this level is out of reach for most, it is the final destination on the map. Yet, the most important lesson is that every single one of these giants started somewhere, perhaps with a single duplex, a small renovation, or a simple dream. Your journey can start today with what you have.